Hey guys, this is TK the Tech. Today I have a 2013 Mercedes C350. It's got a bad third brake light, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove that third brake light. It's an LED strip and it's not repairable. It's actually a pretty hard thing to get to, but hopefully when I show you how to take it out, it'll be easy enough. So anyways, we should start. I have partially disassembled the car, and a couple of things are out. I should have started making this video before I took it out, but it's something that I remembered last minute that I should make a video of it. So I would start by opening the trunk and unlocking the front seats. Sorry, unlocking the rear seats. And when you unlock them, you can pull them down. Now, before you even do that, you would want to make sure your front seats are all the way up. And I don't know why did that happen, but anyway, so the seats are down, the rear seats are down, and you can see it's kind of all torn apart, but I can show you. So basically, when you take the seats out, all you're gonna do is these two clips here on each side, these side cushions, you're gonna try to hold it. It's not that hard. I'll just push it back in for you guys and you'll see a big pop, and then you just kind of grab it from the back like this. You'll see those two prongs, and you pull it towards you, and you kind of have to yank it, and then you yank it out. You don't have to pull it from the bottom, let it stay there. And then you would need to pull out the side molding or the weather protection molding on both sides. Exactly same procedure on both sides. And then there are these covers right here on the side that go like this, kind of go like this. You're gonna pull these covers as well towards you. So when you take the this molding out, you're gonna pull this piece on the side out towards you. You don't have to take all these parts out, you just can leave them there. And then you're gonna pull this piece like this, and it'll come out, and you just let it be there, hanging there with the seat belt. Same thing goes on the other side. Pull that one, it's gonna come this way, that way, and same, take the molding out, take this plastic trim, the lower trim out, and then this piece that goes right here will come out this way. And then you'll see this piece over here that I have sitting on the front seat. Was over here, not exactly this way, but was over kind of here. So you kind of basically pull it because it's soft, so you can just kind of play with it, push it out from one side, and then place it in the front seat. Those child seat tethers might come out, don't worry, they're just easy to put back in. If they come out, just put them aside. Oh yeah, before you can take that piece out, the one that was right here, there are these two tabs that you might be very careful with. There'll be a rubber sleeve around it, and then inside is this plastic push pin. So you're gonna have to separate it and pull it up from in between this piece right here, and then there are two of these right here. They'll be right in the front, and then you will see this I guess soundproofing material. Just pull that out easily. It's kind of wedged in between right here, so don't tear it, just kind of push it down, because it's a foam material, so just kind of push it down. and carefully take it out, and you can just put it back there. And then here's your LED strip, and you can see here's the connector for it, and just pull it. Push this, and push this out. That's it. And then you get a Phillips Phillips screwdriver, and you carefully, there are these plastic, should get my gun, but there are these plastic tabs. Oops. Good screwdriver here. And let me bring a proper tool. Remember, guys, never use wrong tools. They can cost you dearly. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. That's how this works. Very stubborn plastic tabs. Let's see if I can feel them from here. Okay, so I think. Oh, okay. So I don't know if you can see this or not. My hand, sorry. So this is the kind of tab that is there, and you just pull these out and. One by one. Okay. Once they're out, just kind of twist them off and take them out. Yay. Wow. Here's our proper tool. The actual proper tool, actually. Anyways, my apparently my flashlight just turned off on my phone. I guess it's okay. So now that I have the proper tool, pull it out like that. Where you go? Yep, like that. Put it down. Oops. Oh, that one was easy to come out. Okay. So it should be not too hard to take it out. I don't know why did Mercedes decide to make it impossible to take this one out, but I guess they didn't want everybody to be able to easily fix these cars because, you know, you have to pay out of your rear. Anyways, So this is the light. I do not have the new light yet. Hopefully I'll be getting it on Monday. Today is Saturday. I know I work on Saturday. And I think what I will get from Mercedes is if I can get this thing out. Oops. My apologies guys for the video being so crappy, but you know, just wanted to try to help and see. Okay, so it's kind of not so easy to take out this thing. I'm gonna try to see if I can be in the view and also take it out. So I think you just gotta push it back and try to see if that thing will come out. Oh, okay. So there are these small tabs that just pull out. I don't know if you guys can see, there is a small tab right here. And then it's not easy to take this thing out. It's a effing nightmare, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. So there's this piece that was sitting right here in the middle. Right here. In the middle. Take it out. And there are these small tabs that I think I have to take out. And the bloody damn light should be out. Wow. A lot of prying. I hope I get the whole back piece, not just this light, but God knows. So what will it be? I will know for sure. Okay, so as you guys can see, after tons and tons of prying, going back and forth, this thing came out, which is the stupid old LED that I guess, I don't know if Mercedes did it on purpose and got a cheap one that dies, or it's a manufacturing defect. God knows. But whatever it is, I'm not going to waste my time opening it. It's probably dead. Probably the resistor is no good inside. And so this is what you got to replace. I'm pretty sure I have seen on the manual that you get this piece. You don't get the whole piece like that. You get this piece. And you just clip it back in, and then you put that piece back in. It's kind of ridiculous. It's not very friendly. You know, these cars are not very friendly, but you know, some of these things are like extremely ridiculous. But I guess, you know, people like me, we just try to help out each other, so that, you know, you don't have to take it to if you're, you know, a handyman and you know how to do work on cars, then you know, and honestly, I'm a mechanic myself. I wouldn't want to diss anybody else, all the mechanics out there, but you know, sometimes these things, you know, they should be easy to repair. Shouldn't be that difficult to take it all apart. But well, what do you got to do? So anyways, I hope you guys like it. I'm not too sure if I mentioned that I'm actually do not know which other models does this light fit, but the part number is right here. I'm gonna let this thing zoom in. Part number is right here, and there's some other number right here. And if it's an LED strip in the back, which is almost from here to here, then this is the same one. This is a C350 2013. I'm pretty sure a couple of years this would be the same thing. It's a common problem. So I hope this helps somebody out there, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Oops, getting a call. Bye bye, guys. Oh, not okay. I'll call them back. Yeah, so if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and share my video, please, and also subscribe. And I hope it helps somebody. Take care, guys. Bye bye.